In this video, I will show you how to change hidden chat pin on Viber. So simply open up your Viber. From here, go to this more section in the bottom right corner. Then click on settings. Then go to privacy. Scroll till the end. There you will find hidden chats. Click on it. Here you can see change pin, reset pin. Simply click on change pin. Then enter your old pin. Then enter the new pin. Confirm your new pin. And then that is changed. Or in case you don't remember your old pin and you want to reset it, but that will lead to all of your hidden chats being deleted, you can simply click on reset pin, then reset it. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.